going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because as we can see right now, we have the first quarter main event. And we know they're going to ride this towards the end of the year. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And the market is slightly up, but for the weekend, guys, we have absolutely no volume. So we know we're not going to make big moves yet. Now, we know once CME opens, volume should come in. So don't forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, we have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And then plus we have the Fed. And we know the Fed decision is only a few weeks away. So we know they're going to price in this rate hike. They do not tell you, we're going to take your money. So we know they're going to start increasing the actual distractions. And then we know we wait on that main event towards the end of the year. And then plus, guys, Grayscale. We know Grayscale moves lockstep with the Fed. And we know when we were in the bull market, Grayscale would buy like crazy during the actual open interest and then start to sell when contracts are about to end. Since November, they have been fairly quiet. And we know since November, the Fed has been taking off of the top. But also when it comes to Grayscale, make sure you're paying attention to the actual allocations. But getting over into a little crypto news. We had Kyber Network and Monero get a little pump. We had Kyber Network integrates with Uniswap V3 and the interoperability of 10 blockchains. And guys, we know how important that is. And we know all about Monero. Privacy coins are going to be very, very important as the fourth industrial revolution. Now, we have Coinbase launches in India a few days ago. And you're talking about opening Coinbase up to over 1 billion people. I think India has about 1.4 billion. Of course, the United States only has 350 million. But when Coinbase launched, they did not have access to the UPI, and that's the Unified Payment Interface. And it looks like India's NPCI has blocked that, the National Payments Corporation of India. Now we have Binance receives in principle approval to operate in Abu Dhabi. And we know the Middle East is also leading in digital currencies. Now we have CEEK Vr gains 100% as push towards virtual reality and the metaverse. And we know what the New World Order wants to do. They want to invest in the fourth industrial revolution. And we're going to see a lot of these cryptos pump and dump in order to push the New World Order's agenda. So we know first it was Bitcoin, altcoins, DeFi, gaming, NFTs. Now, of course, guys, it is virtual reality, the metaverse. I'm not your financial advisor. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research. And lastly, guys, we have the FDIC asks all banks to report crypto activities. And guys, we know the Russia-Ukraine situation is the perfect reason to take away all privacy. We know that's the whole point of blockchain and these digital currencies, so the New World Order can tax the globe, tell you what, when, and where, and how to buy. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home, get their own stocks. The CEEK Vr, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.